Hi, I'm Dr. Rellis, and I want to share with you some potential pitfalls and reasons for denials for waivers, waivers for unlawful presence, for crimes, and for misrepresentations or fraud in U.S. immigration processes. I'm sharing with you this vital information so that you can address all of these things in your waiver application to avert all of the obstacles when you file your case. Insufficient evidence of extreme hardship to your qualifying relative, being a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident. One common pitfall in waiver applications is the failure to provide convincing evidence of extreme hardship that your qualifying relative would suffer if you could not remain in the United States. This can include a lack of medical records, financial documents, or other supporting materials that support your case and your request for the waiver. Failure to address eligibility criteria. Waiver applications must meet specific eligibility criteria. These include establishing a qualifying relationship with your U.S. citizen or permanent resident relative, demonstrating good moral character, and providing extreme hardship evidence to your relative if you can't stay in the U.S. Failing to address these criteria comprehensively can lead to denials. Incomplete or inaccurate waiver applications. Providing incomplete or inaccurate information on the waiver application form can result in denials. Attention to detail and accuracy in completing both the forms and the supporting evidence is crucial to the success of your application. Misunderstanding the legal standard for extreme hardship to your qualifying relative. Merely stating inconvenience or emotional difficulty is insufficient. You need to demonstrate hardship at the level required by the immigration law. That is critical. Failure to address previous immigration violations. Individuals with a history of immigration violations, such as previous deportations, removal orders, or overstays, must thoroughly address these issues in the waiver application because failure to do so can lead to a denial. Incomplete waiver packages. Missing required forms or supporting evidence can lead to delays or denials. A well-prepared and comprehensive submission is essential for a successful outcome. Inadequate legal argumentation. Providing a weak legal argument for the waiver can be a pitfall. Legal argumentation should clearly outline the basis for eligibility and address any potential concerns raised by the USCIS. Failing to mitigate criminal or fraudulent behavior. Applicants must take proactive steps to mitigate the impact of criminal or fraudulent conduct. This may include seeking counseling, completing rehabilitation programs, or demonstrating a commitment to lawful behavior. Ignoring changes in immigration laws or policies. Immigration laws and policies can change, impacting the eligibility and requirements for these waivers. Failure to stay informed about changes in the laws may lead to outdated or inadequate waiver applications. Navigating the waiver process in the U.S. immigration system demands meticulous attention to detail, comprehensive documentation, and legal expertise. Applicants are strongly advised to seek advice and assistance from experienced immigration attorneys and their legal teams to enhance the likelihood of a successful result for you and for your family. The waiver process involves very complex legal considerations, and professional legal guidance is absolutely crucial to help you navigate these intricacies of your application and to do everything to ensure you have an approval for you and your family.